me het drasta mas tá sé fin go ceast a cha míad sin suas iras go far a ramí nuair a dhéic mí an duras mé dhédig. Smin si gofuil na hen náir sin na hen a féú agus sinna bhfuil lecarst sinna hen. A chi sin a bhéil an audio go a daseach na stáisiigh sin go ceast. Dachas go bhfuil ceast ha gopad an sin bulach a léir dé chuig háast ach so mar sin níimi dé se go scoileach tá sé sin ag léir dé scoile mí fisir dá Twitter agus cuirí mí ar na headphones go ceast ar a haíir sin piano. Cyn la cúsin. Da fyna jacking gys yn ric sy'n leir y jai coig. A mi hyn i'r fi checus go diws mar sy'n hama hw car af. So hama i'r y tŷ le mwyl nawn. Na yma na gysyn siar. Ach, gysyn cúsin talc yma. Marach hama dal fi genw ored sy'n gael hai y gynneidyn. A gynnu gynnu gynneidyn. Keep the ahead medieval Gaelic literature. What's love got to do with it? Shit there. Agus gee le dal. Och, en illen dovis. Korterom vi etjanu bekken je gleich. Mas de hasik sin slim tira her son. En keinigin kebel heb ik gleich gegeven ja. Ha mi gealt in na chael mi dain an chodane i'r gema sa ha mi iad seo. Seo dírach an seach gan ha sin etar a fi clych ha gam chud ciad. Diw ide. Chan iawn mi sganial hyn i'r gema sin. Ach ha mi ciast go diawd. Ma seo na ha mi iad a fi i'r ystryfa seo go yw. Ciast a sin ag leir y jai coig ag sgaili mi fys i'r Twitter. Agus ar Twitter éile snuir sin páisiigh sin. Yeah. Ceast. Páisiigh sin. Fáilte I leis go clúicheamid son bicin I bharach Jedi Fallen Order. Sin I dú dala háiseach leis an seomar seo. Fear de géig sin turas mar rá. Cí sin mar a héitrein ach mus déit mé stai son mógán a chunneochuch. Turis mierig je rein sin wel hanig sin go casic sin farvel sin I draasta agus ion sich sin gevel an imperach kumal wikis mar radien is mar sin hanjou sin je ra hallig Jimmy sin agus hat sin daliener wat gemi ein ma sudding gain na deje hesja overst kishi. Sin glich nicht en je seo ha ád ar bhuirste mar rá gus mar sin of Okay, okay. Oh, wolf. Yeah, gaan jullie een keer een cuddle huis in het tarsje? Oh.
Unproductive human.
Woehoe! Shashin. Great in je goede shit.
What'd you find?
Yeah. Oops. Security droid. Highly susceptible to parrying. Vulnerable to hacking. Well, Unix sin sin an a rug hen. Jehatál stein here.
You've done it! The Wookiees are free! Get to the
Woohoo! Sá go réad in nach go mar Batman ana hen. Rein sin é. Joe hasachtáiseí. A mis mente cin dúir sá hala gan go múlach lí gnne ba chi sin. Ní seo an daras ach buding gainas go lé. Ah, your son ó se gá. Scanne. Can néimi sin bulach het ráasta. Well, sé mi sias, gus an Saval an gema ach neim sin resti anmh or dat how Janu rest na naitin it sin beo the agus chrisin giidir sin. Chanil. Is dé hecin in heach. Oh. Is dé rein sin. Intervention sin. Chanach go mína rein. De raar hier is geen aan her. En echt me. Okay. Well, kom misschien aan. Weer als zo is een smuntje. We kunnen weer 10 gassen. Maar we vast kost maar aan. Oh. Welke ik denk dat dat she is. Ach, hij lift aan hen. Wacht even zo. Sunshine? Her sunshine. Ah, mijn tekstje niet. Sunshine en wacht ik ga niet al. It is she is. Jawel, niet zo vastgelegd. Nee, maar zo ik wel hier ga ik niet. Chillig. She is. Haar rami. Dus een lift delen glach. Ist chola mí an áitcin. Go nuingud a stréigud a bhí ceisiigh an déiteach dafa méir éici go ceast. Agus, well, ha mí bedaachas is 4 hallam dat méir agus sé brí dú cha sin am nuras méadich. Seo fear ará Purge Trooper Division. Nil an ist. Agus há lódig. Hij eet mór an lódig í ana bhir ceisiigh. Mis muintin stácha leis go bhfuil fiochin rí ceisiigh I haispanig mar áte go mar álainn. tíre chéirí a hagam. Go sin clach go barach CPU? Níor go BT tar a bhar? Éisrimsa, mar go bhfuil is a go mar go bhfuil is a go bheith siad. Step agus a léim. Step agus a léim agus ag amanan is sapait le sin gem a seo. Seo sin. BD. Oh no, I shouldn't have done. Back is in here. Nist. Schaff, go for a nist. Ah. Ach, as je naast het al is. En als je gemullig, maar als je hier het al is. En ja, zo niet shark dat de laag. Jede weg BD hen. Oh, hallo dig. Lodig de eerst. Sin has glas. Ga nie mi ietsje teksin hebben later sans gejeetje. Zo, je dan zoes. Oh, zo. Really go put and not that. Yep. Okay, if you switch it off, I can fail because switching. So this.
BD1? Just making sure you're still there.
Just. BD hen. Kavashin it all. And then again all inclusion. I can reach and show me the showering. So I can read all lift the hen. So chili shin in the nourishing. Just. Heb je een bulldog is kom gaan met al? Ah, je niet. Oh, recount. Zien. Dus de flame. Ziemlich lang hier. Shit. Goed. Dus karo. Zo. En shot. Nicht. Wir haben gerade shot and rid. Good. Gantuk BD lose. Oh. Lodige gedicht. Oh, en je K2SO hound. En yeah. Oh no, I'm such a good effort on now. Niels, no wikis in here. Oh, no. Can we take some good luck? Okay. Die hand? Pretty good shit. No glitch, it hackers. Yeah, skag, isn't it? Oh, okay. I had to use it. Oh, both. Okay, I had to use it. Oh, both. Okay. Bijna schaar neer van een glitje. Daar ga je. Oh, both. Okay. Ah, yuck.
Get ready, buddy.
We don't have the power to break this hole.
We're on it.
Yeah.
Help.
Okay.
BD1.
Oh, wolf. Ja. Graag in toe een burger. Ja, vast te slussen. Yuck. I shot that out. Oh, well. Okay, great. Great. Joshing. Okay, and Mish Jiraka Chicken Walker. Ah, yuck. Oh, wolf. Daniel, if we sapit and I chicken walker lahain, bulach or inchirach sava do. Oh. Everything. Chin. Oh. Jay Tacher's the next. Rentje de goes. Charlotte de gip as je.
Everyone! These have been hard years. We've lost comrades, friends, family to the Empire. Dark times. And yet the fire still burns. Hope still burns. The Jedi are not yet lost. We are not yet lost. Kashyyyk is not yet lost. For the cause!
Shinakate.
You've seen what the Empire has done to Kashyyyk. These stories are playing out all over the galaxy. My partisans could use a Jedi on our side.
I'm honored. But we have our own mission I can't walk away from. Not yet.
The offer stands. Keep it in mind.
Cal, I'm Mari Kosan, and this is Commander Choisik.
Sorry. I'm not quite fluent.
Choisik says he'll do whatever he can to find Tarful and vouch for you.
Do you think he's still alive?
Can you?
Have faith, Cal. We'll be in touch with your ship. For the cause.
Ska nu. Nicht sail evotion idol go Shalation. Sail evotion idol go datum here nicht. Oh. Well,
I've been monitoring Imperial communications and I picked up something. Project Augur has been reactivated. The Empire may be close to finding another Zeppo tomb.
Looks like we still have work to do.
Zepho. Stoch ik wel lekker in die chile Zepho. Nursen chile zo. Dus nursen daarvan meer. Heeft hier het?
You think Saw and
Some
the others
tall-
will be okay? Always looking on the bright side, huh? Hey, thanks. For everything.
Oh. Cute. Mantis. Oh. Down.
Let's look.
Conk tried.
I hear you, BD. Let me see.
Jullie gaan fijn. Dit,
Hey, Seer.
Cal, good to see you back in one piece. Mari Klosan contacted us. We know you couldn't find Tarful.
I love risking our lives for nothing. It's fantastic.
Good for nothing. Mari and Choice will come through.
I like your optimism. We could all use a little of that now and then.
Hey, I'm a positive guy too. I'm positive that if I die, I'll be very upset.
You did good, Cal. We might not have found Tarful yet, but you saved lives today. Don't forget that.
Thanks.
Sjouw er een at hier verder. Kerst. Raske Zepho. Café the holiday. No, honey.
I think next...
Of. Not sure. More Hannah. Zepho. Fuck you. Mission down.
Back to Zepho, huh?
The Empire might have found a Zepho tomb. We can't waste any time.
Heard about a high-stakes game from one of Saw's fighters. A few extra credits couldn't hurt, you know?
Gambling. Grease, use your head. One of these days, the Haxian brood is going to catch up with you.
Those slubs? I'll hear them coming from a parsec away.
I don't need your gambling habit causing us more trouble with murderous criminal syndicates.
You're right, I know it. I just want to blow off some stress every once in a while, you know? Anyway, all of that is in the past. I'm sure it won't be a problem.
I'm a keen chuck a bee.
We're about to drop out of hyperspace. Sit down.
So you got like here foreshadowing. Raske Zepho. Zeil en Penishin Lish. Daarna few the ish. Dag is. Dag is good goody. Alright, Kavoshin dolls here. Shifia in Regal. Lajashin. Mission.
The homeworld of the Zepho. Cordova must have spent a lot of time here.
Cordova spent his life studying the history of the galaxy in many different places. Dragged me along on a few expeditions. It was educational.
You really believed in the past?
He believed in the future. But you can't have a future without the past.
Eentje nog. Dicht. Hier vind je. Met Slier die go. Alles. I'll go with Argent.
Don't let up. Firing. Got it. can't do this by myself. You're too quick.
Oh.
What?
Shing.
I've really stepped it up. Are you and Grease safe?
You worry about the mission. I worry about keeping us off their radar. We'll be fine.
Metal.
Maybe we should go take a look. Intruder there. Loud and clear. Happened already. Firing on the enemy. Keep pressure on him. So fast. Converge on the target. Stop! Intruder!
Shing. Nest. Veel chicken. J en route karma hesha. Uanya hesha. Stach kunnen go. Goed kunnen kunnen vast. Ja. Right, Karel chef. Chef. Route hesha. Okay. Haast geniaal skant gaan kijken. Nu ga je naar het in het lach.
Let's keep up.
Heel lätt al. Tack sina skill point där så. Poäng skilla. Ach, det gör sin. Maximum life increased. Yeah. Dash strike. Oh, I've used kind of conversion. Shouldn't have done it. Da hoover. Nearly 3 o'clock. Lightsaber da hoover. Saber Solace. Saber Solish, please. Maximum life increased. You should show us the rest. You should have whoosh. This Kumi sheet. Orange. Yeah. Only have part of it. Mar hamiad ra i'r gath episod gydig y sio ys fyr halwm ciol y gem y sio agos e ffôl y sio yr yeah, I thought I should hammer.
Lay down suppressing fire. I'm gonna get him. Aim and fire. Open fire. All right. All right. Again. You get up here. Firing on the enemy.
Uirtha Cadcallach the Dark Souls as mar sin sé an éad an dhéile níl na stormtrooper seo ráchána ach nuair a ha buan mhórán sin far a cúsin fas dúlí níos cimara yomí an áide sias ar a té sin Cest na ha seo sin Ooh. I'll take it. Oh. Jay. Jay for the crane hata. Station.
Enemy located.
Hello, Harkin.
Come on, don't let him get you. For us next. Guess I'll get all the rewards for this.
Nicht. Schau, weiter. Jackline.
Wasn't expecting this. It's a giant Zepho statue. Kinda thought there'd be Zepho stuff inside.
A Jaffa BD. She in here. Anil. Fire upgrade. Scomplink? And yeah?
Scomplink?
Yeah.
I could replace yours.
Scania.
Get you fixed up.
Is need een toervis oxygen a larak hakantin. Scomplink required. Ah, smash it.
Wanna try it out?
Nice. And hack it pick a come BD ahead.
Enemy below.
Oh. Hello, Harry. Cool is. Oh. Probably still could be a scomplink to a gunshot. Oh. Okay. Oh, nope. Nicht. Chin. Yes. Oh. Hello, carriage. Achievement unlocked. Tank shot. Defeat an enemy by colliding them with another enemy. The fish be could drown mission. More on tank Xbox. Never seen it all. Congratulations. Video she down. Stach. Ach, Niels kan Kevin heen. Ah, يمشي.
I see you.
الله خرج. أوب.
I'll break your guard.
شاشين معها كمغطاو. ايش كمل ايو. انا جاش. ترشية سنترشا. سكامبلينك.
Little help?
ديما. ايش جي هنا براين.
Hey, BD, let's go. Oh, you found something.
اوه. جي انت. Charlotte Momentus mara high. Oop, they have her luck. Terrarium seed.
Can't wait to
Scania.
watch these grow.
Oh. Oh. Come here, oh well, في أخي من شاك هيو. Is much gevel me fast na shed they me strap as again man ja. En je moet eigenlijk wel mee mij. Hey. Oh. Oh, Hello, Harry.
You're too quick.
Smashing question 8. 8 fleer cast. Ah, geen listen. Vertel. Oh, hier ging je. Hier. Nope. Shin. Jerry Toshi. Ach, kiesje. Ja, gemeerd. Kiesje.
Your magic, BD.
Those plant things, don't go near it. But how else am I supposed
Just what we need.
Scania. Hello, R2. Oh, R2.
killing everyone? Thought I'd be the last one standing.
BD, we gotta get through this way.
Hello, R2.
You out? No problem.
Catch a satanic sheesh.
You, know any jokes, BD? I don't know. Why? Classic.
Oh, tell him, Shah. Oh, Vov. Hurst me is tell him, Shah. Can ya be me mad, Shah? Fiach is it, yeah. Agus 3, Agus the kid.
There's gotta be some information on their excavation inside, right? Always looking on the bright side. Thanks, buddy.
Oh, okay. Ik zie jou via geen vision reversed. Hello, Harwich. Oh. Throw it maar.
Intruder there. Solid copy. Lay down suppressing fire. Did I hit? He's dodging. Keep an eye on him. Hit the target.
Help me, BD.
You won't
Good.
get far.
Gas me coffee. Shouldn't happen. Jam.
Let's look. Thanks, BD.
Stormtrooper Commander. Tactical guide updated. Sarah B. Boss said Hurricane on the Ahith.
I'm headed on a covert mission with some purge troopers. Nice. They offered me that position too, but I didn't want to leave my post. Yeah, I'm thinking about turning it down. I feel like I could do more damage on the front lines.
Scourgeon. Cavelat.
Look out!
Stand here. Oh, hello. Lemon Gorge. Anil.
Let's see what's behind here.
Naja. Zie je een Lemon Gorge? Well. Hello, Harwich. Yeah.
I won't falter. This one's green.
Yeah.
Coward. Die like the
Yeah. We shouldn't. That is gehecht.
traitor.
I need a stim, BD.
Your life is forfeit.
Yeah. Whew. That is.
Stim, BD.
Purge Trooper Commander. Shouldn't have said good right there. Nicht. Kimere Yomi Tronvaler.
Any sign of the tomb?
No, and the Empire's been stepping up security.
Keep your focus. Watch out for him, BD.
Okay, I'll keep looking.
Well, even zijn job. Not hier some jaren. Shouldn't have ye. Some metalen raken skill point uit en kan die taak. wow. So sin.
You see the Star Destroyer? It's a Venator.
There could be useful intel inside.
I'll try to find a way to it.
Venator. Ní fecht go Roma nach sin. En living go? Fiach mir. Stellam seo, seo cool.
Hey, Grease, you busy?
Well, I was trying to watch the. No, I'm not busy. Never busy. So, you need something?
I'm standing next to two crashed ships. Looks like you weren't the only pilot who had trouble with the wind here.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're just realizing that? Where have you been? I mean, it doesn't get better than me.
Yeah, okay. All I wanted to say was thanks.
You're welcome, kid. But, I gotta go. I got a thing, so gotta see you.
Oh, cute. Whoa. This looks very exciting. Yeah, yes. Oh, spin it.
Zephonian skull. Only some kind of horrifying disaster long ago. Hey, BD, let's go.
Careful. BD. Riot. Okay, right. Barach Zepho. Ach, fiach is in there. That's what you Colosseum. Oh, oh. Jane. Oh yeah, can I put the dead? Oh, stuff. Oh well, I shouldn't have to get more. Oh, mana. Oh. Oh man. Who counted? They'll count, yeah.
BD, here!
Sabes the shirt sin. Ah, yuck. I tira na slua here and do best. Ganil and two of his health. Shin. Well, Shinakatai. Can you get scanning and a PD? Nope. Okay. Commission yarn. Davin. Die. Dara.
Probe droid.
Ah.
They're watching us, BD.
Wil het al een van groen squissel zijn. Pep, 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 pep. Is wel cool. Dat stellen me wie een strap een brein. Een Star Destroyer is ja. Ja.
Good scan, BD.
Probe droid. Hele. Ze wacht dat. Ga neem je aan, boy. Snart vertragen. Oh well. Shortcut. We zien. Ah. Het hier echt door in ja. Nee, probe droid als ja. Oh. Look at that.
All squads on red alert.
The commander was
Oh,
killed
no.
by a lightsaber.
Oh.
Just what we needed.
So, Kavashin it all.
I think we're getting close. I noticed it earlier, this feeling in the pit of my stomach. At first I thought it was Grease's cooking. Now it's getting even stronger. I think the closer we are, the worse I feel. It can't mean anything good.
Save your helm, Cal. Save your helm. Periodic set. Shoshinje. Jaar. Sky pick and fish. Zo'n stem canister zijn er als gehaald maar is aan de kant en oh, ik wens je een jeetje rustig een jaar dat jij het. Je dacht je wel vol is jouw gaan gaan die hebben. Iets ben ik die pas aan. Nicht. Yes, then. And you shouldn't touch and a droids version. Yuck. Right.
Enemy spotted. Watch my back.
Good. throw the cart. Throw the mach anyhow. Yeah, can you do that? Here, put the fare. Oh, the J-chop. Stand up. Yep, action in. Wah.
Integrity compromised. Affirmative blow.
Yuck.
Threat.
Oh, move. Yuck. Wah. Wah.
Your odds of surviving are low. Very low.
Hey. Here, finish.
Large damage initiated. Transfer me.
Joshing. Yuck. Have a key chucking.
You want to climb up a zip line?
Ooh.
This motor
Cool.
could do the trick. How does it feel?
Oh, BD ahead.
There's got to be a way to get to him now.
So again. Gee, agus Ternick. It's kind of
Over here, BD.
this. And this. Så det är det. Jag kör spice. Off. Agus sin mar a bheasí Galcestus. Jedi Ood.
On target.
Oh, move it.
We can do it. Don't trip. Range support down. Advance with caution.
Thorsten!
We have to take him down, quick.
Oh dear. Just. Yeah. Ah.
Down your footing.
Shinshin. Assassin nicht. Davis nicht. Elevator can't be called from this side right now. We shouldn't shortcut. Shouldn't die in rush. J fail. Stay in a hill.
Die, Jedi scum.
Hello, carriage.
Jedi.
Yeah, Kalua. Ah.
You get what you deserve.
Okay.
Death. You'll pay.
Help, BD!
Okay. Yeah.
I'll slice you to ribbons. Yes, be afraid.
Where's my? Hey. Yeah, cushion tarif. Right. I guess shop at a Russian. Eh? Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a wire aan heen. En je toy, I come. First, ah. Oh, my dag is grey. Root. Hound.
A worker left their tools in a hurry. They were anxious to locate relics, but also careless of the history buried here.
Jay glach de sheep shares on some expedience. Maar pinken expedience. Measure. Molly and some B facets in the comments. Oh, Shackle Hound. Amata. My dag is gefijn mee, Rutkin reichen. Maar, lightsaber throwing your mission. Maar Rutkin mission Jirach door.
What is that? Get away from it! Open fire!
Any shen. Several guardians. I tell me it's in a weddag. Biggest shot, Farron Dursheen. Introduction. Ja, kiel ik nu gaat al zoals ik geschiet heb. Dan is wat ik wel aan het halen. Aardiger vol. Misschien tal orange. Oh. Searching achievement. Sabersmith. Really customize your saber. Should like that. Can have a shit. Cast.
Let's go, BD.
Yeah. Okay. Inshallah.
My men will double their efforts. We'll get inside, Officer Crane.
Just little ah. Oh, zie de kans. Ja, red. Ik heb ook in de water weer heen. Haast. Ja, je eerst aan. Ja. Sashi, je mag er schön. Henny. Ik ga voor een heel skill point te werk kijken. Ga niet heen. Nicht. Gosh. Scania. Yes.
Oh yes, I know your name, your past, and most importantly, about
Your future.
Cordova.
Oh no.
Tell me, where did he hide the holocron? Outstanding.
Oh, Scanial. Yes. Yo, nou we eens in de lijst.
Your demise draws near.
Misschien kerst. Beetje niet te veel.
You can't win. Accept it.
Yeah.
I've suffered far worse.
I'm sure Keith, Femi Giri, an apprentice at Seer. It's not a good Savile Seer. Maraja. Yeah.
I need a stim, BD.
You can't win. Accept it.
Oh. I'm doing the best.
That was nothing. You blow me.
Okay.
You cannot defeat me.
Oh, Lua.
Very well. You won't dodge to the next.
Yeah. Yeah.
BD, stim here.
I'm the superior fighter. I will destroy you.
Ah, both.
That means nothing. I'll destroy you like the others.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
This is too easy.
Yeah. Oh. Yes. Wel, hyn yw'r sin fair. Thank BD Ahern.
You're learning. Not quite as gifted as Seer's last apprentice, but not bad.
Yeah, Seisha Seer's last
I'm
apprentice.
surprised she didn't tell you. Sarah was never good at keeping secrets.
And you know her so well, huh?
She was weak. Cracked in an Imperial torture chair. Surrendered the location of her naive Padawan. They would never have found me.
If it wasn't for her, she betrayed me.
Trilla.
Feis gyda sin y chi, ny
In
chast.
the flesh.
Trilla.
I won't let you manipulate me.
So sure are you? When faced with a choice to protect herself or her Padawan, she chose self-interest. She'll sell you out.
Just tell him an actor, like voice actor.
I can handle myself.
Can you afford to take that chance? Your new master harbors great darkness. The look on her face when she saw what they had done to me, as I am now. She turned, exposing her true nature. She used the dark side.
She cut herself off from the Force.
Oh? How long before she cracks and betrays you too? Is that who you want beside you when you find the holocron? What would Jaro Tapal say?
You have no right to mention his name.
I wonder, what would he think if he could see his Padawan now, skulking in the shadows with a betrayer, granting her access to a legion of impressionable students?
No, I won't let anyone touch them.
I thought the same thing once.
Fashion sganial is fearhalm trela is fearhalm and darna pure nikbite in hada. So mi just mentioned grami jena gamas so sabotation. Is tell him gaveli enoch almagus of the issue so fast na sheriff. Skinjach could be Akamri Savage Nahai Nikajeri. Oh, I thank BD. Well, let it to my show. Lift it. Jesus, I shouldn't any other turn a skill for that. Commission. Alligator.
We found it. Feels different than the other tomb. I don't know. I don't like it.
Tomb of Nictro. Oops. Die eentje nog kleintje voor.
I found it, but...
Seer.
Why didn't you tell me?
Because she's a liar.
You... How?
I rerouted communication the moment you tried to contact her. Slicing encrypted transmissions was always a pastime of hers. She taught me one. There's no technique Sarah has that I... There's no technique Sarah has that I haven't perfected.
Seer. I guess. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Machine. Right, I show it fast. Oh. Kuang. Oh, hello, Harry. Hello. Big. Is that on there? Dat ik er zoals je uur de heb. Ja.
Another step.
Ja. Neil BD if you can rescan the enemies. Good enough. Christian. Meraviglioso. Okay. Okay.
My friend, this device appears to simulate this planet's gravitational pull. I can't help but see it as a motif.
Eentje nog. Puzzelen uren. Go fast get that skill point. Oh, the enemy. Nimi rest. Yeah. I me pick on fish. Falcony.
You're running out of time.
For what?
My scouts located an artifact of interest at the rear of this tomb. Even now I'm studying it, learning his secrets. It seems Cordova was rather taken with these Zephyr. Perhaps enough to hide the holocron amongst their bones.
Yeah, we'll see how much you learn.
Our company will not quit. Move in. We'll beat you. Can't track him. You can't overpower us. Be careful, he's dangerous.
Shine. Thanks, good boy.
We will pursue you. That's a blow to morale.
Gee.
He can't beat all of us.
Fish. Cast. Oh. Jag försöker mäta. Oh. Jag känner inte det kändes. Oh. Have a listen. Ničinech. Ještě Ještě nejednáče farder romy. Kvarch ještě. Skill 3. Jigashin. Repulse. A plus Y. I shouldn't jirach a futi. That's what I call it. Burst slow. Slow all targets around. I shouldn't fail. Delay combo. He's mentioning repulse. You shouldn't fail. There now. That's your turn. Ooh. Ish, kinda made everything I shot. Oh! I shouldn't fail now.
More of my soldiers breach this tomb every minute.
Afraid to face me yourself?
Had your droid not intervened, I would have killed you with ease.
It's okay, buddy. Just ignore her.
Shocker I'm kind of big on the level engine on a Bioshock. There is. Or Terra Bioshock have been re Fontaine Atlas. There's an level I could you can nail it first Harish and communicate with
They bust a greener like you down, scrap your armor, and sell you into slavery as soon as...
Hello, Gajen. Beautiful sound. Shot. Oh.
You're not getting out of here alive.
Oh, very sugar. So kind. Is this on him? Hello. Let's take a shears. Down here and say that. Right. Okay, here, man. Thank you.
Fast enough. I'm not so easily defeated.
Oh, it's good.
Master would be disappointed. You'll pay for this. Cannot run. Give up. Don't strike me. I'll break your guard. More technique.
Chin chin. Just tell him. Well, give it a shot. Just tell him in puzzles that my first jump over a shot. Oh, hello, Eric. Barachnan Ferila, can you meet all the rashes the road? That's an entire vacuumation and that's a television. Nog een charlotte. Oh, she is this. Need a little alone, though she is. Okay. I'm gonna have him strap. Oh, yeah. Okay, shall I? Need to go shinnen. What? Where are you, mate? Revision. Gierig is zij gaan raken, brother. Dat is het. Ah, stache. Yes, no. Rid ik in erger. Gedeel. Was nog heel zien erger. Wel, așa. Hai chestia acum. Jamie 1 mission 3 slain mission 7 zo garage نخشلات Yeah. Flame troopers. Katalam. A Karchin rum. Achikumi. Swiss line. Mist. Oh.
Imagine the artifacts the Empire would have missed if it weren't for your intervention on this backwater planet.
Sure it's worth the cost? I hear Project Augur came at a high price.
Stormtroopers and workers. Expendable resources.
You're a monster.
I am what Zed made me.
Unlocked.
Jedi.
Hello, Harry.
You're dead.
Yeah.
I'll defeat you. Enemy is spry. Cleaned up another one. Not enough to down me.
Help, BD!
We should now be aiming and raw we hit the Hushi and Erson Vernersen creator at dit moment. Ah, yeah. That Schalte.
Can I get a stim, BD1?
Good work, BD.
Blasted scaz, don't. What you doing? Enemy here. I know I've got this.
Sheen.
I've taken the artifact back to my ship for analysis. Pity you couldn't make it in time.
Doesn't matter what you steal. You'll never understand it.
Yet you do?
You'll find out soon enough.
I'll take those odds.
Stel hem trillen. Uur eerlijk. En waar was ze? Ja, in een koe ga hier. Step agus a léim simnathe an gánaí am cúr cear. Strep agus a léim. Sin. I mean, dúil agus a dách is go fáid ní chhlaachú. Ag gaith it? Gamer some then the claustrophobia have him sure. Okay. Yeah. Dierengetallen gaan pikken uske. Kest. Lenny Shinarn, here's on Grishak Caillou. A skillach tira.
They haven't seen us.
Heading.
Keep your guard up.
I noticed something while examining this sarcophagus. It's a very convenient location to dispose of nuisances.
You lured me here. Was this your plan all along?
You truly have the wits of a scrapper.
You can imagine a barach comes in stealth.
Someone else attacking? I guess it's just me now. Watch out!
Bridge trooper. Yeah. Oh, yeah, sure, man. It's kinda. Yeah. It's. If I al geinigig. Kuach. Smear create.
Where is the force?
Everywhere it is within me, it surrounds me.
Just so. It connects you. There will be times when emotion, pain, or exhaustion trick you. You will feel cut off, isolated. This is an illusion. Your lightsaber lies there, out of reach, but you remain connected through the Force. Feel that energy around you, and summon your weapon.
The Force is within you, around you, connecting you to your weapon.
You must ignore all distraction.
The Force is with me. It connects us.
Yes,
I think so.
Kuach gele. So Jay Hacher. That ishe irrit of Horst Lam at Ha, I guess. Shall rip it out? Oh, Sinn Féin. Oh. Fancy me in shad it's like a slave. Oh, yeah, you you vissa. Right, we need to go shock out.
You survived.
Not part of your plan?
Luckily, I always allow for contingencies.
Cal has healed his connection. Is Talo Madaha. Oh wow. Madaha Cal a fast Nashad. That's actually quick. Is a Yamujira Kielachig. Nashad have Kuach gonna hecka. Hakujaka fast Nas Slan. Kind of.
Giving up.
No, yeah, for a second.
Get him, quick! You have to win.
From your son, Shinian. Crimea.
He can't match us. You can't beat us all. I think he's scared.
Oké, wel hier ging het.
Eventually.
Droppen. Oeps. Oh, bof.
Break his guard. Take evasive action.
Ah.
Target is too far.
Oké, waar komt Jira en Sap?
We're winning this.
Keep stopping my attacks.
Ja.
A little help, BD? Nice job.
Zijn je nou written verhaal. Fashion naar verach. Oh, wolf. Ik wil het hier een klasje in. Smash it. Smash it. Hallo, Gerrit. Ja. Cool. Guardians. Oh, what? Come on. شنك تاعي كوخ كيله شا لين Where are we? Okay. Oh, okay.
Where is he?
Oh,
Enemy spotted. Don't let him escape.
oh no, be careful. Ah.
Get up there. You want to handle this?
Ah, Rasha. Yeah.
Oh yes, fight. Fight me, Jedi. True. Keep fighting.
Anyhow. شن شايف ليش كالشي تشكل Hello, Harry.
Come here. Someone else get up here.
¿Qué tal?
This was an offering to the Sageberry. At the time, it was considered precious.
Oh, it's in color. That I heard that show. Stop go fiach me and hit me at a guy in my Throw it. Throw it. Kitty, foul sin good. Stand ahead.
In here, BD. Back to normal.
Mikä vara... Mikä ein terve mä pääsä ellei... Siinä niin jätä. Your son comes. So yeah, I have me fish. But the rest... Ik dacht het nog helemaal niet. Toch ja. Alles. Hey. Waar moest ik? Wie? There's some chai. Good. Oh, Mivoga. sin agus a chun í tenne a chud sin. Sil in iad go caiiseach chofata sin le insin a tin sin seo. Hanirín ar a chun strep. Oh, we got shot. Luckily, maar. En nee. Hallo, Harry. Wel, wacht. Malaska. This. Oh, that's just some strap. Shouldn't I daar strap in ja. Ach, een dag is. Ja. Nee, ja. Is dat? Wacht, hij geen was, hè? Iets meer een glitch. Hello, Harwich. Wat maar. Jagusa. Okay. First, next. Chena Haya. I just have Chencha. Get a Vala Hasha. Hello, Oshan. She Tomb Guardian. And Hanama Heath. She Jenna Crater in a Kumo and Naja, yeah. Sin fiachin rís hí an minute a báil cú I glunne in a bála fiachin glunne sin rís agus san sin dhéan agus sinna seo chhlach is go bí díocht rá sin.
Good job, BD.
Voting candidates. It's on show. Did you see? Oh, I thought we can't do this. Snack belt to this. Oh, and Tishka on. Can you start to get it in Mishka? It's nourishing China if it's not fish. Okay, the efficiency. Wolf. Okay. Well, hier gaan we glus root record. Yeah. Wolf. Basically, you fuse night and second system, and you'll never shot surely. Tol gaan we verder. Oh, en je stemt hij. Jack. Yuck. Machine. Oof. Oof, oof. Oh, ja, stemmen ze hier. Is ik zijn nu gaan naar het mensen Alaska, maar is ja. Ik nu gaan dat is een te veel. Nu ding. Ja. Oh.
This was lit as a sign of respect and reverence for the sage buried here.
Station sitting in. Höv ille lastig. Ken je? Ga nu in. Nou. Hier dacht nu we switchen prawie. Politie en weer de. Dus ja. Sien ille sitting in mask. Lekker mission. Staat. No, okay. Jamie. Nu ga ik aan verjaardag aan hem. Nu ga het al. Oh. Hij is wel meer heel berg sa bíach go miracle na ha méid siad a bhíocha rí lightsaber chhlaachta dí it. Could you can bell she the heat marach. Oh, shot it. Well, you left to a happy.
My friend, what I found here is disconcerting.
Well, J. Laraku, it seems these candles were offerings. Votive still. Okay, so Penya really flickers down the earth. Hashin?
Oh, you found something.
J. Hershey. Lightsaber material. Asian smelt. Oh, well. Oh. We got shin for now, acid. Yeah, geen idee. Direct al hier geen hulsje. Weet je, staat meer eigen dat als je niet beklikkers en wordt daar de heat check in ieder show. Ach, yeah, we really is on stat like harshed my show feeding your son. Let's get the mental right. Ach, you, maar je wil laten kijken. Als je zo'n fasje houdt, staat er een minimum. Is chili sin naach gan hier staan. Is er gullig J het al. Zo na J. Het hier toch het edit. Oh. Ja. Yes, yeah, I need percentage in Oasa. Oh, achievement. Look out below. Send 20 enemies over the edge. Should not get that. Colas nach il. Cast stati sin anna hin. Gus chili sin nahechting. Son fijn amach bulach jihad alles an adja seo. Agus son we dachas céim céim. Men ven. Big Vik. Fijn na saske datham hier. Ach ciú. Fáice mé anna hinach Thangus an bhín am chuteach is an episode éileide chuicheimiid agus chimí ina heachgain seo.